Good morning. Welcome back to Shaving with Fuzzy. I'm Fuzzy. How y'all? So I'm still working these day shifts. And Sunday morning, about 4:10, 4:15, something like that. I don't know. But gotta shave for work, right? Well, you do in my work anyway. So today, something good. Picked up some Kramperts Finest Bay Rum Acadian Spice Shaving Soap. And I already have the Kramperts Bay Rum aftershave, which is an aloe vera based aftershave. I've done some videos with it before. Really nice stuff. The Acadian Spice, as he calls it, is just great. It really is. It's a really good Bay Rum. So we're going to use that today with the old Superior here, about a 1900-ish Superior, with a Pile Super blade. And we're going to work everything up. Already got it soaking here with the Smog 1305. So that should be what we call a plan. Definitely. I had to shave at an odd time yesterday to do some paperwork for work. Only day off I've had, I don't know, a week or so, whatever. So I don't even have a full day's growth, but you gotta shave to go to work. So we're gonna work up a little bit. I got the little travel jar, but as you can see, there's plenty of room in there to wiggle the brush around, and it's high enough on the sides that you're not throwing lather everywhere. That's nice. We'll load a little soap in here. That smells nice this time of morning. Now, I'm not any good at describing fragrances, but this is a very nice, what I would say is a smooth Bay Rum. I don't know how to compare it to other Bay Rums I've used, but it smells nice. Alright, let's see what we get going. Good stout Bay Rum smell here. Definitely nothing subtle about it. I like it. Very Bay Rummy. I don't know if it's the Bay or the rum I'm smelling, but whichever it is, pretty nice. We'll go with a little sip of coffee. It's early. All right, get the old Superior out here. These are really nice. Look at the scroll work on the back of that. Pretty nice. Got the name and all. All right. Wow, super in good shape. I don't remember how many shaves are on this blade. I move blades around between razors. I don't always remember, but it feels good. Plenty of slickness for the old razor. Oh yeah, that is nice. If you ever had a chance to use one of these old lather catchers, you're missing out. Things are nice. Alright, back up here. And that's all there is to it for a first pass. Very uneventful, huh? I like that. round 2. Still plenty of soap on the brush. No issues there. Oh, a little touch of water. It's looking everything that good. Yeah. Well, the soap here is nice. It's good and slick. It lathers easy. I think in the ingredients list there, I saw some coconut oil and some glycerin. Very nice, good feeling stuff. Alright, we'll go for a little across the grain stuff here. Old lather catcher talking a little bit this morning, they'll do that. Alright, we'll go across this way this morning. Nice quiet razor, huh? No, it's not. And come across at a nice angle this way. Right here. Boy, it feels nice for a Sunday morning shave. I'm telling you. Just nice. And then we'll draw a little bit for the witch hazel cleanup. I like to, I don't know if it matters. Probably doesn't. But before I put witch hazel on for the cleanup, I like to wash up and dry off. And, oh, that feels nice this morning. Base got a nice feel to it. All right, even with having I think it's close to a full day's growth because it's, you know, coming up on 4:30-ish, and I shaved yesterday at, I don't know, 6-ish in the morning, so it's almost a full day, so it's no worries. But sometimes it seems like to me, you may have noticed it, that if I have a couple of days growth on, the shave generally feels better than if I have just a day's growth on. They're still good shaves, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it doesn't shave good, or it's not good shaves, but it seems like after you've had a couple of days growth out that everything is just a little bit more better. Nope, no blood, good. Thought I had a little nick on the old chin there, but I don't. No blood. So there we go. Kramperts Finest Acadian Spice Bay Rum. I'll say I like it on the first try. Look at there. Still had plenty of soap left in the brush. I could have done a couple more passes there if I needed to. I don't need to. But, you know, if you're going to shave your yak, you may need some extra lather. Well, there you go. That would work. Give me another little sip of go juice. And we got the Kramperts Finest Bay Rum aftershave. Now, like I said, this is a aloe vera based aftershave. It's not alcohol based. And I already said before how much I like this stuff. I'm gonna have to one of these days invest in some more of that too. Face feels really good with it. Got a really good smell. I'm all bay rummy for Sunday, which is not a bad thing. Well, there you go. So I like the Kramperts. I like it. That was the first try with it. We'll shave with it some more, but I like it. Kramperts Finest Bay Rum. That's good stuff. Now, if you want to talk to the guy who makes that soap, go over to the Original Safety 2. That's the number 2.com. All one word. originalsafety2.com. That feller's over there. Good fella, one of my moderators over there. And, yeah, just good people. That's all there is to it. There's a whole forum there full of good people. You should come see us. I don't know why you haven't yet. You like single edge razors, you like injector razors, that's all we do. That's it. Everything else is unmentionable. So tell them Fuzzy sent you. Come over and see us. That's www.theoriginalsafety, the number 2, all one word, .com. Tell them Fuzzy sent you. Happy shaves, and y'all have a good day.